got it over here, so let's get it open. Let's do the unboxing. Let's open it from here. Nope. That's a nice flap. Oh, that's beautiful. So it has got some sort of a leather pouch in there. It's a cover. It has got some papers in it. Let's take it completely out. Alright, so this is what we've got in there. Look at this, beautiful. So basically on the back of the cover it has got all these specs which we'll go through in a short while. Let's keep this aside for a while. Let's see, what is this? Oh guys, they've sent a bag. That's wonderful. Alright, let's get started unboxing the box. But before that, let's have a quick look on this black pouch. Wonder what's in here. It's just a delivery note. That's very nice of them. It's a very handy pouch. Okay, now it's time for the main box. Let's open it up. Look at the beautiful blue S8. Well, definitely this is a orchid grey. So let's see how it looks. Let's take that off. Okay, that's off. Let's open it up. There's a flap on the side here. That's beautiful. The moment of truth. So it's here. Let's see what's in the box. It's a phone tray. Let's keep it up there. So these are the things inside the box, guys. Look at these beautiful pieces. That's great. So let's keep all of these aside. Let's go on the phone. There we are. Beautiful black. As you can see, the face recognition one. It's blinking over there on the lights. It's great. Okay, let's open it up. Beautiful. Look at the beautiful orchid grey. Just changes color in different angles. That's fab. So you can get many colors on the same phone. Here we are, guys. So this is fabulous. It's very comfy. It has got a bit weight on it than its previous predecessors. Look at this fabulous piece. It's very handy. You can reach easily. Let's get this off first. Okay, the back looks like this, guys. It's beautiful. So I can't feel the bump over here like it had on its previous phones. So the camera bump is out of the context now. So you can feel the edge of it, but there's no bump anymore. So it's on a smooth line. That's great. It has got this aluminum edge on the side. It's in a chrome color, so that looks beautiful. with always the antenna bar on the sides, up and down. So that's beautiful, guys. That's power on button, that's volume rocker, and this is the famous Bixby button, which we'll be looking forward to. As usual, that's a SIM tray, mic, speaker, USB Type-C, and 3.5mm jack. That's great. So let's boot this up. That looks beautiful as usual. The general Samsung logo. So there's the indicator light. Android is starting. There we are. Welcome. Let's set it up quickly. Here we are, guys. So the beautiful S8, and as you can see now, there is no physical home button. So there's this soft button that operates as a home button. There's recent menu apps, there's the back app, and the home app. That's beautiful, guys. Towards the left, it's a Bixby. That's great. Okay, guys. And the always on display is always there. That's another fabulous thing. That's great. So guys, there is the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy S8, and do tune in because I am going to do in-depth review in the next video. And stay tuned, guys, and I am going to do a giveaway by end of May. So guys, please do stay tuned, do like the videos, subscribe, and do comment so that I can pick one of the winner from the comment, and then I can parcel this Gear VR to one of you guys. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel by clicking the picture up here, and I will see you soon.